Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a forward-focus thermostat. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal. This simple step prevents accidental electrical issues while you're working on your vehicle's cooling system. Once prepared, place a drain pan directly under your radiator. Then, carefully open the radiator drain plug to allow all the old coolant to flow out completely. This step is vital for a clean replacement. After draining, locate the thermostat housing. It's usually situated near the engine block, often where the upper radiator hose connects. Now carefully unbolt the thermostat housing. Once the bolts are removed, you can take out the old thermostat. Be sure to clean the housing surface thoroughly, removing any old gasket material to ensure a perfect seal for the new part. Then, install your new thermostat with a fresh gasket, making sure it's oriented correctly. Finally, reconnect your battery and begin refilling the cooling system with fresh coolant. After refilling, start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Lastly, inspect for any leaks and confirm the engine reaches its normal operating temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.